13 amps, meaning that we assume that the load that will come on that socket will be 13 amps or less. So, yeah, they've done it. Me, in my report, I will enlighten some of these things in my report. But for us, sometimes some of these things are very important. You can implement them in some places because whether you like it or not, we do international jobs. You get it? And you don't have to wait for somebody to come and correct us and tell us you get my point. So me, I'll record it, but in the report that I write, I will indicate that something should be done about it. But what if we have 4 sockets? Is it doing electrical? You are doing electrical at where?
Attachment here.
What do you mean? I do attachment. Okay, good. Let me ask you a question again. It's just don't take it personal. If we have a socket that is rated 13 amps, 4, and we connect that particular socket. So for example, here, you see the top here, it is 16 amps. The top here is what? 16 amps. And then we have 13 amp socket, 4. How many current will be going through that particular circuit? You don't understand. Socket 1. So let's assume that this is one socket. There's another socket here. There's another socket here. Another socket here. Making 4 sockets. And then we are protecting these 4 sockets with 16 amps breaker. How many amps of current will be going through those 4 sockets? Don't forget, this is labeled rated at 13 amps. So how many will be going through it? I'm listening. The 4th one is what? What is the rating?